Today, I'm going to show you how to verify Bitcoin transactions in just 5 simple steps. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, this guide's got you covered. First off, you need the Transaction ID or TXID. This is a unique string of characters that identifies your specific transaction. Think of it like a digital fingerprint. Next, head over to a blockchain explorer. Some popular ones are Blockchair and Blockchain.com. These websites allow you to access and search the Bitcoin blockchain easily. Once you're there, find the search bar. Enter your Text ID into it and hit enter. This will pull up all the details related to your transaction. Now, let's check out those details. You'll see the sender and receiver addresses, the amount of Bitcoin sent, the transaction fees, and the confirmation status. Make sure everything matches what you expect. Finally, pay attention to the number of confirmations. Ideally, you want at least 6 confirmations for maximum security and finality. The more confirmations, the harder it is for anyone to tamper with the transaction. And that's it. By following these steps, you can ensure your Bitcoin transactions are authentic and properly verified. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.